Drive your feet into the floor. Come on. Yep, come on. What is up, BeFitNow fam? This is Coach Amp with over 20 years of personal training experience. Okay guys, now we have a great chest day for you, all right? We all want the coveted 3D chest, and we're gonna show you how to get that today, all right? Stay tuned. Okay, BeFitNow fam, what we have on the menu today, we are gonna start the day off with Incline barbell press free weight, okay? From there, we're moving on to weighted dips, okay? And then we have a giant set, which consists of incline Smith machine, cable flies, and push-ups. And those are gonna be continuous, 3 sets continuous. You're not gonna wanna miss this one, guys. Let's go. Okay guys, so here at the Gains Garage, we typically prioritize the upper portion of the chest, but today we are going to prioritize the lower pec. That's right guys, the lower pec. The goal is always balance, all right? So in starting today off with the decline, like I said, we're gonna stimulate the lower part of the chest, and from there, we're gonna go right into weighted dips, still hitting the lower part of the chest, getting a good amount of triceps and anterior delt in there, okay? Now, that is like our warm-up, and then we're going into a giant set. That's right, a giant set. Incline Smith, all right, cable flies, and we're finishing off the day with the push-up. So the Incline Smith, we're really just stimulating the upper part of the pec. All right, now we want to keep the intensity high. That's why we're doing it as a giant set. And we're moving directly into our cable fly to force blood into the chest to give the triceps a break, okay? Because during the fly, we are not utilizing the triceps. And then from there, we're going to finish the chest off with the tried and true push-up, all right? This is going to be a good one, guys. Let's go. All right, guys. It's time to get this thing going. All right, starting off with the decline barbell press. Let's get it. Let's go, baby. 1, yes sir. 2, 3. 10, 11, and 12. Good set, good set, good set. All right, guys, set 2. Before we get into this next set, do me a favor. Go ahead and smash that like button, all right? Let's get it. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Yep, you good. Yes, sir. Guys, one thing I love about the Kahuna is the versatility. All right, we can go from a barbell movement, all right, a decline barbell movement into a Smith machine press. It's awesome. Let's go. Let's go. Amazing versatility. Yes, sir. Love it, love it, love it. Let's get it, baby. Set 3. Let's go. Come on. Yep. 1. Yes, sir. 2. 3. 4. 5. Yes. 6. 7. Come on. 8. 9. 10. Hold here. Come on down. Hold. Yeah, hold it. Let's go. Let's go. Now give me 2 more. 1 more. Take it down. Pause. 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Drive it. And back. Yes, sir. So now the reason why I paused him is because he had a little bit more in the tank. So we're just using wisdom and just slowing the reps down. I'm pausing at the bottom, all right? All right, let's go. All right, guys, here we are. Our second movement. Weighted dips. As you can see, we have a band around our athlete being anchored by a dumbbell, okay? All right, guys, remember when we're training chest and we're doing dips, we're performing dips, you've got to lean over to prioritize the chest. All right, let's go. Let's get it, baby. 12 reps. 2, yes, sir. 3. 10. 11 and 12. Yep. All right, guys. Set 2. Dips. Let's go. 2. Yes, sir. 3. 4. Pause at the top. 5. Come down slow. Up. 6. 3 count down. 3, 2, 1. 3 count up. Back down, back down, back down. 3 count up. 3, 2, 1. Come on down. Ease down. 3, 2, 1. Up. 3, 2, 1. Give me 5 standard reps. Go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Excellent. Sometime, guys, we may put 12 reps, 15 reps, 20 reps. That may be what we have set, but the most important thing is that we get the most out of the set. So if he's got a little bit more, we're gonna push it, or we're gonna do whatever we need to do to stress that muscle as much as possible to get the best results possible, all right? All right, guys, set 3, let's go. Right there, coming into the middle, right there, hold that for me, a little higher, a little higher, a little higher. Hold that for me, hold that for me. Yeah. Guys, how y'all doing today? Y'all doing all right? I'm good. Okay, up, let's go. Keep it moving. Go, go, go. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's blow right on past that 12. Keep going. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Yep. Good set, baby. Okay, guys, we're primed, we're ready. Now we're moving into our giant set, all right? Incline Smith, cable fly, push up. Let's go. Let's get it, baby. 10 to 12 reps. Let's go. Yeah. 2, I love it. 3, chest high. 4, that's it. 5, come on. 6, yeah. 7, come on. 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Yep. Let's get it, let's get it. Guys, while we're in transition, I want you to remember one thing. You have to position yourself properly on the Smith machine. We don't want to damage the shoulders. We need to come about right here, all right? Let's get it. That's it. Squeeze. Yeah. Bring the arms out just a little bit more. That's it. Let's go. Squeeze. That's it. That's it. Squeeze. Come on, baby. Let's go. Come on. 5 more. Let's go. Let's get it. 5. Yes. 4. Yes. Come on. 3. Come on. 2. Come on. And 1. Excellent. Yep. Good way not to bounce out of that stretch. I love it. Let's go. That's it. Guys, check this out. As he makes his descent, pushes the body forward to properly align the chest so that we're not putting that negative stress on the delts, all right? That's it. Yes, sir. All right. Let's go. Come on. Yep. Now, if you have a partner, you got somebody with you, assist him. Let's go. Back in position, baby. Come on. Let's go. Hands here. Up. Go. 3. Come on. Up. 2. Up. And 1. Excellent. That's it. That's how you grow, baby. We gotta break the muscle down. Gotta break it down. We're gonna give him a few seconds, then we're getting right back at it. Let's go. All right, guys. Round 2. Let's go. And I want you to go all out. No trying to conserve, all right? Let's go. Failure is good. Let's get it. Come on. 1, yes, sir. 2, come on. 3, yes, sir. 4, yeah. 5, make it hard, baby. 6, that's it. Come on. 7, yes, sir. 8, yep. Drive your feet into the floor. Drive them into the floor. Excellent. One more. Up. Lock it. Right there. Good. Let's go. Let's go. All right, guys. These chrome handles, listen. They come in our Gaines Garage package, all right? These are the last handles you'll ever buy. These things are virtually indestructible. You hear me? Listen, also too, we got these aluminum pulleys. Man, this thing will last you a lifetime, and you have a lifetime warranty, all right? Get it. Let's go, baby. Come on. Yep. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Come on. That's it. Let's go. Let's go. Push up, baby. All gas, no brakes. Let's go. Come on. Let's get it. Let's get it. Come on. 10, no matter what. 10, no matter what. I'm right here with you. Come on. Come on. Let's go. That's it. Come on. Come on. Up. 3. Right there. That's good. Right there. Up. 4. Come on. 5. Now hold at the top for me. Hold at the top for me. Hold at the top for me. Guys, listen, check this out. So when you gas out, you lose strength on the positive. You still have some left in the negative tank. All right, so 5 seconds down. You ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now put yourself in the top position. Don't push up, just put yourself in the top position. Let's go. That's it. Let's go. Top, top, top. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, lower, 2, 1. One more. Put yourself back in the top position. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Come on. 5. It's in. 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Yes, sir. That's it. Good set. All right, guys. We're on our last round. All right. I hope y'all pushing my boy through the other end. All right. He gonna need it. All right. Guys, if you like content like this, subscribe and comment any questions that you may have, anything you want to know at all. I promise you we will get back to you. All right, let's get it. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Yep. Chest is engaged. Yes. 2. Come on. 3. Yes. 4. Yep. 5. Yep. 6. Yep. 7. Yep. Come on. 8. Yep. Come on. 9. One more. Eat it. Yep. Lock it. Yes, sir. Let's go. Let's go. Yes, sir. Stretch and contract, baby. I got it. Yep. Come on. 2. Come on. No need to come on no further than here. That's it. 2. Come on. 3. Come on. 4. Come on. 5. Come on. Squeeze right there. 6. Come on. Again. Squeeze. 7. Come on. Again. 8. 2 more. Again. 1 more. Squeeze. Yep. Let's go. Push up position. All right, guys. Now, we got a band to help assist him to bang out these last bit of push-ups to get the most out of him, all right? Let's go. 2, come on. 3, go. 4, yes, sir. 5, 6, come on. 7, yes, sir. 8, 9, and 10, yes, sir. Good set. Good work, baby. You guys, thank you for watching. We work hard to make the best content we can. Please like and subscribe. Turn the notification bell on for new updates and leave comments with any questions and concerns, or just show your support. Peace.